Reason number 15 why being an infectious disease epidemiologist makes you a Debbie Downer. Most people worry about raw chicken contaminating the counter, but the sink is actually the bigger problem. In one study, the USDA brought all these people into test kitchens, had them cook chicken, prepare salad the way they normally would at home, and everything was video recorded. And they also spiked this chicken with harmless bacteria so they could actually track contamination. And what they found was surprising. People washed raw chicken in the sink, and the bacteria didn't just stay on the chicken, it spread from the sink to the actual salad greens. And even more interesting, salad was contaminated whether or not people actually washed the chicken, suggesting hands or the sinks were major drivers of cross-contamination, and hand washing compliance was extremely low. Only 2% of required hand washing events were done correctly. And you can actually see how this happens at home. I put colored paper in and around my dry sink, turned on the water the way you normally would when rinsing your hands or food, and then anywhere that you see splash marks is essentially where bacteria can go. In my sink, you can see splashes all throughout the basin, but also onto the surrounding countertop, and these splashes represent contamination. So what actually helps according to the USDA? First, don't wash raw chicken, not rinsing, not soaking. It doesn't remove bacteria, it just spreads it. Second, treat your sink like a contaminated surface after handling raw poultry. Then means washing hands, sanitizing the sink before you use it for anything else, especially produce. And then third, wash your hands every time you switch tasks after touching raw chicken, packaging, or the sink, and for the full 20 seconds with soap. And then finally, keep raw meat, ready-to-eat foods completely separate. Separate cutting boards, separate utensils. Don't reuse them until they've been cleaned and sanitized. The takeaway here isn't that people are careless. It's that normal kitchen habits make cross-contamination easy, and knowing where the risk actually is helps prevent it.